over here what we have is Elgato Prompter with voice sync, which is enabled on the NPU, which is, it's a company that we've worked to collaborate with to enable this cool and amazing feature that you'll be able to test out yourself. I'm sure that a lot of the creators, they use a lot of the teleprompters, and typically you would have to either scroll through them manually or you have to set up like a timing so that you can get them through. With voice sync, the AI is actually doing the work for you. So you'll be able to read fluidly, and the AI will actually predict your cadence and read through the words as you follow it through. And it's all local, so it's all running inside of the NPU. We've worked to enable, with OpenVINO, enable the whisper model so that it runs efficiently in the NPU.
So this is pretty cool because I use a lot of this. I actually have this in my studio / office at home, and it becomes really handy for different things. And actually this is pretty cool. I actually get to try it a minute ago before we went live on the camera, and it runs great, and we'll do it again here in a minute. So you said that actually, so this is being run on the NPU. Why run it on the NPU?
Well, so primarily, right, this has been enabled before, obviously running through the CUDA side, but what is good about running it on the NPU is the fact that you have that additional thermal headroom that you wouldn't have otherwise, right? Now the GPU can focus on doing some of the other stuff like what we're doing here, where we're driving graphics, streaming, broadcasting, right? All of that can be done in the GPU side, and you take in that small thing, now running it efficiently on the NPU.
Right, so now you have given it like okay, you don't have to worry about doing two things for the GPU. Now you can actually just completely focus on the game or whatever else you're doing, and you just go to the NPU. And because the NPU is so efficient when it comes to power, you can actually have that extra thermal headroom.
That you wouldn't have otherwise.
Yes. Here, you can see that I'm reading the script, and the prompter is updating the scroll because it understands that I'm reading the words on the screen. If I go off script and talk about something else, like different intonations that I can use that I'm actually using in different speeds, wow, this is amazing, then the prompter stops, it resumes when I return to the script. For even more control, you can toggle highlight text mode. This highlights each phrase in real time as you read, helping you to stay on track with perfect pacing.